Hey, welcome back. Mr. AP here one more time. So let's just recap. What we did in the last video tutorial was we declared eight variables for the prices, one for each pizza type. Okay, so we declared them double because they are money, right? Amount of money has decimals, and we update them in the action performed method. So for every button, for every buy button, we have a corresponding total variable. So if the buy button for the gluten free pizza is clicked, so this variable is updated by adding 34 to it. And for the buy button for the Quattro for Maggie pizza, the variable for that is updated by adding 13.99 to it, and so on and so forth. So in this video tutorial, we are going to connect these classes, these panels, because right now these three are still standalone classes or panels. These are all standalones. They are not still connected, right? So what we are going to do in this video is we're going to connect these three classes. We are going to connect these three panels. So basically what's going to happen is when we click the Order Now button, all the order information is displayed in this JText area, right? So how can that happen? So when we click the order button, we need to collect the information from this panel so that we can print that information in here. So in other words, we need to go to the panel where the Order Now button is declared or added, and that panel is called OrderNowPanel, right? So in other words, when we click the button Order Now, we need to know the orders. So we need to declare that in here, and the name of that class is PizzaProductsPanel. So we need to declare a variable in this class of type PizzaProductsPanel. Mr. AP, why? Because when we click the Order Now panel, we need to know what the orders are. And where are those orders? The orders are here. Remember, the buttons are here, the buy buttons are here. So we need to know which of those 8 buttons are clicked and how many times each button is clicked. And all the information that says about the order is here, right? Every information about the order is here. So we need to put them, we need to add that information here, and those information is in this Pizza Products Panel class, right? So by declaring a variable of type Pizza Products Panel, we would be able to know what buttons are clicked, how many times each button is clicked, and so on and so forth, right? I hope you understood why I declared a variable of type Pizza Products Panel. And also, when we click the Order Now button, we print something in the JText area. And where is the JText area? In here, in this class. The name of the class is OrderInformationPanel. So we need also to declare a variable in this class of type OrderInformationPanel. So let me call that variable info. Again, Mr. AP, why did you declare another variable of type order information panel, because order information panel is the one that has the JText area. This is where we print. And again, when we click the order button, order now button, we print, right? We print in the JText area everything about the order, about the customer order. So we need to connect. So this class, OrderNowPanel, needs to connect with the Pizza Products Panel and OrderInformationPanel. One more time from the top. This panel, this class, OrderNowPanel, needs to connect to Pizza Products Panel because that's where the orders are, right? This is where the buttons, the buy buttons are. So we need to know how many times each button is clicked and what buttons are clicked. So we need to connect this class to that. Also, this class needs to be connected with the order information panel, which is this one, and this one has the JText area. We need to connect these two classes because once the button order now is clicked, the display, the information about the order is printed in the JText area. So now these three classes, the order now panel is now connected to this class, the Pizza Products Panel, and the Order Information Panel. Right? I hope that is clear. So in the next video tutorial, I'm gonna continue implementing this this method, action performed. See you. Bye-bye.